Alright, I gotta set up this camera. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in 8 months. And today, we'll be playing Scary Monkey with this guy right here. And this guy is my brother.
Yeah, let's go.
The monsters can't even go in there. This is scary being alone. One crazy thing about my brother is that we are on the same account.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Where are the monsters? This is scary. Where are they? Go! Run! Oh my god, Harry! Harry, where are you? Where are you? There you are! Hey, Harrison, do you want to go to the forest? Do you want to go to the forest?
Yeah.
Up. My secret lair. Come down! Alright. The secret lair I built. And it leads to the forest.
I love forest.
No monsters. Ooh, bum, bum, baby. Behind you! Ooh.
How do you do that?
It's the camera. Press B and hold your controller on your chest. Harrison, B is on this controller and B is right here. Let's just not worry about it. All right, let's jump down.
Hey, you want to see this?
Oh my god! The little bro threw his controller. You want to dive into water? You want to dive into water? I'm going to dive into water. So shallow. He's at the speed of light. You want to move a little bit closer? You want to move a little bit closer, Harry?
Yeah.
And you're off the, yeah. Right. Okay. Oh my god. Harrison, let me move your carpet. Okay. Hey Harrison, what's in here? Is this my secret? Down here.
What's in here?
My secret bunker. That's not secret, and it's not my bunker. Let's jump down. Let's watch some YouTube.
In this video, we're gonna be playing my new game called Scary Monkey.
I watched this before. I watched a video about this.
So the first thing we're gonna explore is the shop. You have a
Wait,
little soda.
what that guy just found you? That he said base.
You have
Wait,
all the
Harrison,
cosmetics.
Do you want to go in the green screen
You
room?
have launch day, all of these
Yeah,
are
let's
actually
go.
free, so you can add them to your cart, and then you.
What is it?
In this video,
It's in shop. It's in shop.
I can't get out.
Go up the stairs.
Oh.
Oh yeah, by the way, that Harrison is not recording either. I don't think he knows how to record. Harrison, do you know how to record?
No.
But you don't need to, because I'm recording.
I know.
Wee!
I just learned how. I'm just watching how.
Alright.
Do it.
Alright. Wait, is this a slide? No, it's not. Alright, let's.
No, I keep falling.
Alright, then let's go up the stairs. Well, not stairs. No, Harrison, let's go up the stairs. See? But do you want to go up the rope or the parkour way? Well, you're.
I just went on the
Alright,
rope.
let's go. Let's go, Harry. Jump! Alright, let's go to the green screen room. Alright, through the secret tunnel. Want some monkey soda?
Sure.
Now go up here. You can do it! You're doing it! You're doing it! You do it! You did it! There's a ball. There's a ball. I found a ball. I found a ball.
Did you? How?
Yeah, look, it's rolling away.
Look.
When you get inside, how though? Let's go to the green screen room. Harry, because it's cool.
Where is it?
Whoa.
Whoa. Wait! I'm more taller than you!
Oh my god. Alright, where did you go? Oh, the green screen room.
Whoa.
Press this button, Harrison. Look, it's another mirror.
Where?
Press this button.
What? A bird.
She's a mermaid. Wait, Harrison, press this button. Oh, it's all blue.
Where?
Wait, press this button.
Wow. Let's keep it blue.
Yeah, it looks cool. Wait, what's up here? We can climb up the ladder.
I can jump up here. Whoa.
It's the tag room. Tag it. No, get juked. Get juked. Oh, you got me. Alright. Got ya. You're tagged. You're it. Oh my god, Harry. Juked. Oh, you got me. Let's explore some more. I wonder if there's anything else to explore. I want to add more to the video, but I just don't know. Over here. Cookies. I found cookies. What happened? Oh my god, my controller. What happened to little bro? Little bro.
Right there.
We can pick up the cookies.
My cookie. With that cookie.
There's gold under here.
Yes.
We found the gold.
Gold. Yeah.
Alright. Wait, is that a burger up here? It's a burger.
I can't.
Please don't touch my burger, bro. Please don't touch my burger, bro.
Please don't touch my burger, bro.
Let's go to that. You'll get back.
Wait. What is this? music. Harrison, we found a tracker, and there's some for all of us. And we got batteries to eat. You can eat. Alright, now turn on the button. Turn on the button. Look, is it on?
Yeah, it does.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My headset. I need to plug it in.
Plug it fast. Yeah, plug it fast.
Oh no. Alright.
I'll get all your trackers. I'll hold your tracker.
Alright. Wait. I'm gonna put it. Oh my god. We gotta cut these scenes out. Alright. That's the end of the video, guys. It ended a bit early because I had to put down my headset for a second because I had to plug it in. Then the video ended. So yeah, I hope. Get your stinky booty out of my face.
I know there is a level.
I'm gonna turn you into a triangle.
Why?
Uh,
Are you?
so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And then please like and subscribe if you enjoyed.
Okay. I know there's a level. There's a level we didn't check out. We gotta beat the level.
Maybe we'll beat a level in the next video. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Bye bye.
Gotta beat you up.
Why are you counting down?
I don't know. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you.
We're gonna beat the level.